Have you ever had problems creating a new project in Rust? Now let's going to see how to do it. The first step that you need to do is to create a folder, a new folder. For example, in this new project, open the folder, take the pack. Now you go to Rust, C, open the path in the terminal. There is one problem. CD, open the path once again. Now it's open. Now you use a function that is called Cargo init. It will create a couple of files that are useful to start a project. Now it's already created and we can see it here. New project. It creates src, main, and Cargo.toml that is like the path of the file. Now we are going to click here in ff main and make a try. This is the default hello world, but we are going to test it using something else. Test. Okay. And save it and rerun the code. Now, but we are going to run the code using cargo run. That is the command they use, and we are going to see this sentence here in the terminal. Run. Now we see hello world, text is okay. And that's it. It's pretty easy and very straightforward.